How to use AI Auto Enhance on NanoBanana AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. You will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to use the AI Auto Enhance, here in this page, if you scroll down, you can see this AI editor section. You can use the image to image or text to image feature. For now, I'll select one image from my gallery. Now, in order to use the AI Auto Enhance, you need to use this text prompt. Tap on this main prompt field and write the prompt in your natural language in order to apply styles. In order to apply styles, change elements, or blend images within the app's updated interface. You can describe the edits you want to make using the text. You can explain every details like change an outfit, apply a style, blend images, or change a background. Once you write your prompt, after that you can select this Generate Now button and the NanoBanana AI will process your request and transform the image. It'll take few moments in order to generate the output. You have to wait patiently for that. And that's it. That's how you can easily use the AI Auto Enhance on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.